Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1660 indicates a problem with the front interior LF antenna circuit being open. This specific code arises from the keyless access control unit, which is an integral part of the one-push start system. The keyless access control unit utilizes a front interior LF antenna located inside the vehicle, typically near the driver's area, to facilitate communication between the key fob and the ignition system. An open socket can lead to the inability to start the vehicle without the physical key, emphasizing its importance. Diagnostic procedures are critical for troubleshooting any raised codes, as they ensure that the influential components receive proper evaluation. Following the determined tests will allow for accurate identification of where the faults may lie. The B1660 DTC arises from the front interior LF antenna circuit, indicating an open circuit. The primary component affected is the keyless access control unit, responsible for recognizing the vehicle's key fob signal. Its design includes a front interior LF antenna that communicates with the fob, facilitating keyless entry and ignition. This antenna is typically found near the driver's side, often integrated with the vehicle's dashboard or trim. The open circuit implies that there is a disruption in the signal transmission, which could prevent the vehicle from detecting the key fob. Understanding the role of these components is essential for effective troubleshooting. Several factors could trigger DTC B1660. The foremost possible cause is a faulty front interior LF antenna, which may fail to transmit or receive signals effectively. Poor connections between the components can also lead to an open circuit. A corroded or loose connector may affect the flow of data. Additionally, wire damage such as cuts or abrasions could disrupt connectivity, presenting as an open circuit. Another consideration is the body control module, which might fail to process signals due to internal malfunctions. Each of these causes must be thoroughly investigated to identify the root of the issue. Identifying symptoms associated with DTC B1660 can guide troubleshooting efforts. A primary symptom is the failure of keyless entry functionality. The vehicle might not respond when the key fob is nearby. Starting issues may arise subsequently, presenting problems in initiating the ignition system without the physical key. There may also be a lack of a signal from the key fob, confirmed by attempting to unlock or start the vehicle with no observable effects. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for pinpointing the need for diagnostic measures. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC B1660 involves utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the diagnostic trouble codes. Start by ensuring that the vehicle is in a safe state and connected to the HDS tool. Once connected, clear any existing DTCs and select the keyless access control unit from the one-push start system menu. Following this, proceed to enter the self-check mode, which allows for the internal systems of the keyless access control unit to run diagnostics on themselves. After execution of the self-check, check for any DTCs again. If B1660 appears once more, then further investigation is warranted. If not, the issue might have been intermittent. Moving forward in troubleshooting DTC B1660, the second step is to check the body control module, EXT, F+, and EXT, F- line outputs. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off-lock position for safety. Next, disconnect the front interior LF antenna 2P connector to isolate the antenna from the electrical system. After disconnection, switch the vehicle to the on mode while being cautious about the environment. Measure the voltage between the designated test points in the connector. This check is crucial. If voltage is present, it indicates the fault lies within the front interior LF antenna that needs replacement. If no voltage is detected, it will necessitate further checks. The third troubleshooting step for DTC B1660 involves ensuring continuity within the EXT-F+ and EXT-F- wires. Start this step by turning the vehicle back to the off, lock mode. Utilize a jumper wire to connect terminal A and terminal B of the front interior LF antenna 2P connector. Post-jumping, disconnect the body control module connector F, typically a 36-pin connector. With the setup in place, check the continuity between test points on the body control module connector. If continuity exists, this confirms that the EXT-F+ and EXT-F- wires are functioning properly, leading to the conclusion that the body control module requires replacement if issues persist. If continuity fails, look for breaks or high resistance in the wires. Once repairs and replacements have been made concerning DTC B1660, it is critical to conduct final repair verification. Start by reassembling all components securely to ensure that there are no loose connections. Following this, use the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to delete any remaining DTCs that could be stored in the system. After clearing the codes, it's vital to test the keyless entry functionality to confirm that it operates perfectly. This step will provide assurance that the underlying issue has been fully resolved, affirming that the vehicle is now capable of detecting the key fob efficiently. Always note observations during this test to monitor any recurring issues. To prevent the reoccurrence of DTC B1660, implementing preventive maintenance strategies is essential. Conduct regular system checks on the keyless access control unit and associated components to monitor their operational status. It is prudent to frequently inspect the wiring harness for any signs of wear, damage, or corrosion that could hinder performance. Ensuring that all connections are secure and free of debris will help to mitigate the risks of experiencing open circuit conditions again. By establishing and adhering to a maintenance routine, vehicle owners can improve the longevity and reliability of their keyless access system and overall vehicle functions. In conclusion, DTC B1660 signifies an open circuit in the front interior LF antenna circuit, which is vital for the operation of the keyless access system. Thorough troubleshooting steps, including diagnosing via the Honda Diagnostic System and identifying impaired components, are necessary to accurately resolve the issue. It's crucial to carry out each step systematically to ensure no underlying problems are overlooked. By understanding potential causes, symptoms, and repairing accordingly, vehicle owners can enhance their keyless operation reliability. Implementing consistent preventive measures will further safeguard against future complications, ensuring a seamless driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.